have basically asked me to make a video on how to do the GitHub stuff like git push and those kind of stuff, and how to track your progress with GitHub and how to manage your projects. So here I'm on my GitHub profile page, and I just click repositories and I'll click new to make a new one. So let's just name it hello world because my project for demonstration is called hello world, and then hello world, and let's just make it private because I don't want everyone to see it. And then I'm just gonna create a repository. So now while it's created, I'll click code and I'll do that. Okay, and then open a new window on my terminal and I'll go to document. So you can see I'm in my document, and I'll type git clone and I'll copy it here, and then I'll just press enter to get it in. And after it's cloned in, you can just cd hello world like that. Okay, so you can see it here, and then because this is the same file as this one. And then now what I'm gonna do is, because in the previous demonstrations I named my project, I created my project in here. It's called in my user and then documents hello. So I'm gonna go into the other window, and then just like, because we're in the same directory, I'll just cp so dot is like go to your previous directory hello, and then I can just copy that, like the star means everything under there, and I'll copy it to here. Great, that's pretty annoying. You know what, we'll just do it the old fashioned way. We'll go to our document, and then we find hello. Hello is there, and then we just drag it in. Okay, so now we have hello, right? Yeah, command line, kind of annoying. I mean, now you have hello, right? So I just do git status, and then you can see like all of these things are not added. So you can just do like git add everything. And now it's all added. So git status is used to check status, and then git add star is used to add everything, right? So now I'm gonna type git commit, and then I'm gonna basically like just add a message like hello world, but usually this message is used to help you keep track of your progress. I'll do that. Oh yeah, it's the annoying punctuation. Yeah, we don't do that here. So it's gonna say creative mode for blah 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 blah, and then just git push once everything's alright, and then I have it. It's on there. So if I just refresh my GitHub page, you can see now it's here, and the commit is called hello world, as you can see. So yeah, that's how GitHub works. And if someone made edits to your repository, for example, you shared it to me and I made edits to it, well, you simply type git pull, and then you get the thing to like sync up with what's on your local. And yeah, now it's up to date because I just committed. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and thanks for watching.